I accidentally scratched myself pretty well when I was working out just now, but luckily I've held on to this Styptic pencil that I bought 12 years ago. This Styptic pencil is no joke, easily one of the best purchases I've ever made in my life, because as you can see, it has been quite well used over the years with lots of dried blood spots, because it is really effective at sealing cuts and wounds and scratches very quickly. I know that it's usually only advertised as a shaving stick because it's really good at sealing cuts that happen when you're shaving, but I realized very quickly that it's also effective at sealing bigger cuts and larger skin injuries, just like this one. Because each stick is a solid piece of titanium dioxide, it does not expire or go bad over time either, which is why this pencil has remained effective over the past 12 years. Which means that as long as you don't lose or misplace one of these, you'll only ever have to purchase one, and you'll never have to buy another one ever again. So if you're looking for a product that can seal wounds quickly and last for an entire lifetime, especially if you or someone in your family is really active and does things that make them more prone to injury, then pick up one of these Styptic pencils for yourself and you'll thank yourself later.